Hi, I'm Macey from Blade Air. You might recognize this filter from your current HVAC system, but I'm here to talk about how upgrading to the Blade Air Pro filter can lead to time, money, and labor savings. The Pro filter has 8.5 times the loading capacity of a pleated MERV 13. This means fewer changeouts, reduced maintenance, and up to 50% labor savings. Think of it like switching from single-use batteries to rechargeable ones, where you can do the same job with a lot less hassle. Instead of restocking and storing stacks of heavy boxes, you're only replacing the pads, which come rolled up and are much more compact during shipping. You can cut up to 92% of your delivery and storage footprint. As buildings continue to evolve, all aspects of your HVAC system should evolve as well, including filtration. Ta-da!